Hi, I'm Dion from leavingcertmathsvideos.com. Now for this question here we're asked, we're told, that x minus a all to be squared is a factor of this term here. So we know if we divide it in we'll have no remainders. So what we want to do first of all, we want to rewrite x minus a all to be squared in a more favourable term. So that is x squared minus 2ax plus a squared. We're going to divide it into this term here on the right hand side. So we know when we divide something in here, we should know that we only deal really with the terms on the left. So we're dealing with x squared here, and now we're doing 2x cubed here. So what we do is we divide x squared into 2x cubed, and that gives us 2x. So then what we do is we multiply every term here on the left hand side, multiply that by 2x. So that is equal to 2x cubed minus 4ax squared. And then it's plus 2a squared x. And then we subtract. So we subtract the bottom line here from the top line. Now to subtract, we change the sign of every term in the bottom line. So that implies that that's equal to 0, and that's equal to negative ax squared. And that is equal to brackets plus 8ab minus 2a squared times x. And then it's negative 36a, subtract 0, so just negative 36a. Now we do the exact same thing again. We divide our x squared term into negative ax, and our answer here is negative a. So we multiply every term here by negative a, which is negative ax squared, positive 2a squared x. So we got x in brackets, and then that is negative a cubed. And we subtract that. And when we subtract that, we're going to get 0. So that's really what we work with in this question. So we have two scenarios here. Just draw a line here. We have, I'll start off with this one. We have negative 36a plus a cubed, because we change the term of every sign, every term in the bottom line. So then it's plus a cubed, that's equal to 0. Now what we can see here, some of us might see straight away, that's one possibility. That implies that a is equal to 0. So that is one solution right there. And our next solution is, our next solution is a cubed is equal to 36a. And that implies a squared is equal to 36. And that implies a is equal to plus or minus 6. Minus 6. And then we have another problem here, 8ab minus 2a squared minus 2a squared is equal to 0. So we'll just rewrite that here. 8ab minus 4a squared is equal to 0. Now what we can see here straight away is that a equal to 0 is a solution. But we'll just say at a equal plus 6. So that is 8 times 6 times b, for that capitals, minus 4 times 36 is equal to 0. So 48b is equal to 144, so that implies b is equal to 3. b is equal to 3. So that's when we had a positive value for a. That's when we took positive 6. b was equal to 3. So it's 6 comma 3 is one solution. And now we're going to try negative 6 comma whatever. Actually, we'll try 0 next. So we show that a is equal to 0, and that implies, well, that doesn't give us that for b. So we'll try negative 6 here. At a equal to negative 6, we have 8 a times negative 6. Sorry, a equal to negative 6. We have a times negative 6 times b minus 4 times 36 is equal to 0. And then that implies that negative 48b is equal to 44. And that implies b is equal to negative 3. So that we have negative 6 comma negative 3. And then we have our other solution was a is equal to 0. Well, if a is equal to 0, here we have no term for b, so if a is equal to 0 here, we have b equal to 0. So there are three solutions there. We have positive 6, positive 3, negative 6, negative 3, and 0, comma 0. So if you found this video useful, please add me on Facebook or Twitter or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.